Hello everyone, welcome to Mom and Son Scrap channel. Today we're going to scrap this amplifier and processor of sound and this computer. In the computer they're missing some parts. We're going to start for the amplifier. In here you can see we have these black boards and these transformers and some aluminium and some junk cable. Now we're going to start from take the screws. In the end, we see if this screw is copper or no. You can see the screws. This board has a lot of screws, some parts. Like these little parts, we can see if they are aluminium. No, they are magnet. A little piece of iron, you can see they are magnets. And the screws, yeah, it's magnet too. Now we can continue. They are almost all of them. Now we take all these cables. And see, yeah, we need to take these screws, all of them too, and these is a lot of them. almost there. Oops. You can see in here we have these little boards. There's these ships and some capacitors and some things. Now I'm going just take these screws to take the big board. Need to close all of them. And now you can see the big board. We have this big sheet and some littles. In here we have some copper. You can take them, and we have some other stuff. This in here I think is some brass, not gold, and in this side we don't have anything. Now we have this big transformer, this board with this little transformer, this extruded aluminium, and these other little boards and other in here. Now we need to take these screws. Take this in here too. Now just need to take this is the last on this board. You can see in this board we have this transformer. I think they are copper, and inside of this little black box we have some copper. And now we have this bigger transformer. This is extruded aluminium and this little board in here. we're going to take this screw. My glove is all smashed, but my other glove is on the van. Now we take these single cables. We have a little more on that side. First we take the aluminium, and then we take the screws from the transformer. You can see this piece of aluminium. Okay. All of them is aluminium, clean, extruded aluminium. Now we're going to take the transformer. To take like this was in here and this to open some space for me to take the screws. And then we take 4 screws. They have one on each side, one here, and the other side on the same place. Now you can see this is the transformers. Yeah, I see the copper inside. Maybe in the next video I scrap these transformers for you to see. Now in here we have, this is some junk wire. You can see Now we have this little board. They have a little motor inside, I think. I don't going to take them, but you can see they have this little motor. I just take this part. The other parts don't have like too much value for me. Now it's going to the pile of the scrap. Now we're going to put this on this side. And now we're going to scrap this computer. You can see they're missing some parts. They have some RAMs. In here they have the chip. In here we have the power supply, a disk reader in here. They don't have the slot cards and the drives. I can show you. I have one slot card in here. You can see they come like these gold pins. They come like in here, inside of one of these, and this is the drive. They have these little boards, more gold pins. And now we're going to scrap this PC. I need these. Now we're going to take all of these screws. They have 4 of them, 1 on each side. Sides for me to see. Now you can see this is aluminium, extruded aluminium. You just need to take these fans inside of them. In the middle they have a little motor. In here we have this chip. You can see they have some gold. And now we're going to take the motherboard. First we take all the cables. In here we have these two RAMs. They are 1 GB RAMs. We have two of them. You can put inside. Now we're going to take the motherboard, I have a lot of screws. Now I think they are almost every them. Let me see. Now you can see this is the motherboard. Below here we have a little chip. All of this is gold pins. Inside of here they have more gold pins. You can see the gold in here. This is the motherboard. Now what we have in here. Take more screws. You can see in here. This in here is for us to connect a lot of things on the computer. You can see, for the microphones, for the phones, for the mouse, the keyboard, some pen drives. Now in here we have, take this screw. They have another on the other side. Now we're going to take the power supply. you can see, this is the power supply. Inside of them they have a little board with some copper, a little transformers, some aluminium too, and this cable. In here I just take these cables and that. These little fans, I don't going to take them. I just take the cables because I never scrap them. You can see. Now the CD reader, I don't take them too because don't have anything of value, and I send these to the scrapyard like this. Now you can see we have some extruded aluminium, you can see them here. We have this power supply. In here we're going to cut the cables. This is the motherboard. We have these two little rams, you can see them. On this side we have this transformer, they are copper, you can see the copper inside of them. We have these low grade boards. On this board I just going to take the chips and send them to the low grade and take this copper too. You can see them. This is a drive, they don't see from this computer, from other I scrap them. And this is a slot card, they have these gold pins, they have good copper in here. On that side they have some chips, you can see all of them here and here. This is the video from today. Subscribe the channel and see you in the next time. Bye.